Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the topic of monopolistic competition. First, what is the monopolistic competition? In a market situation in which there may be many independent buyers and many independent sellers, but competition is imperfect because of product differentiation, geographical fragmentations of the market, or some similar condition. In monopolistic competition is a market structure which combines elements of monopoly and competitive markets. Essentially, a monopolistic competition is one with freedom of entry and exits, but firms can differentiate their products. Therefore, they have an unelastic demand curve, and so they can have set prices. However, because there is a freedom of entry, supernormal profits will encourage more firms to enter the market, leading to normal profit in the long terms. Then features or characteristics of the monopolistic competition. In monopolistic competition in many firms in a markets, then freedom of entry and exist mean any buyers and sellers enter in a market. Then firms produce differentiated products means the product differentiation in a markets mean different commodities selling and buying activity done in the monopolistic competition. Then firms have price inelastic demands. They are price maker because the good is highly differentiated. Then firms make normal profits in the long run but could make supernormal profit in the short terms. Then firms are allocatively and productively inefficient. These are the features of monopolistic competitions. Then next, this slide shows the how does the monopolistic competition differ from perfect competition. We know the perfect competition means large number of buyers and sellers present in a markets. First, the difference the number of producers or sellers in a market. In perfect competition, the many number of producer. Monopolistic competitions same as perfect competition, number of producers. Then types of goods and services available for consumers. In a perfect competitions, the homogeneous goods available in a markets. In monopolistic competitions, differentiated products or goods and services available for consumers. Then does the firm have control over their own prices? In perfect competition, no price takers. In monopolistic competitions, some price power in a sellers or buyers. In perfect competition, no branding or marketing is important. In monopolistic competitions, key known competition of branding and marketing. Then in perfect competitions, the entries barrier 0. In monopolistic competition, they are entry barriers in low. In perfect competitions, the price is equal to the market cost. In monopolistic competition, is price is greater than monopolistic competitions. Then in a perfect competition, the market structure lead to productive efficiency in the long runs. The minimize the long run average cost. In monopolist competition, higher the low run cost. Thank you.